Welcome to the 2024 Geminats recap. Now, there seems to be this sort of unknown about what Geminats actually is, and it's just a day of driving around. This is not correct. This is Geminats from the whole weekend and just randomly doing whatever the hell we feel like doing. For example, checking out trains. Enjoy this, and for a bonus added feature, if you can calculate how many times you see a bonnet up in this video, you might get internet points. Have fun!
Check out the starter motor at the front.
It's a big motor.
Yeah, and they just got a fucking flip lock fucking rocker cover so you can do the tablets.
Yeah. Fucking no room here.
Well, that's what we're looking at this before. I reckon these come out here and the supercharger must sit up here.
That's a cool setup. That's a Gemini alternator.
It's a beautiful looking car. It's empty. Oh yeah, friends. Oh mate, steer wheel shake, it's just beautiful.
To be advised, the next 10 minutes or so of film footage, which has been parts of Maxine, Nat, and Greg's film they sent through, involves a very slow return home, mainly because of a certain somebody decided to have a car that was half built, half together, half-assed, half... You want to insert the words there, you can. So a trip that would take about an hour and a half took us almost three and a half to get home. Yeah, so if you want to fast forward, by all means. If not, we'll see you at Halfwaynats. And subscribe and like and all that shit too.
One of the Geminis has failed.
Is that what the oil is in that corner?
I don't know. It's lost some juice. Oh. Zero compression. Down to first gear. You hear it's only running on 1.5 cylinders. Chuffed. let the smoke out. Ooh. She's not going fast. Made it to the top of the hill. And use those 3 horsepower to get some speed up. There it goes. Can't even catch him now. First we were beaten up a mountain by a push bike, and now we're being overtaken by a vintage vehicle from the UK. Shame, Josh. Shame. We're in the Land Cruiser in Canberra. He just went and bought in a Cobra.
Quite literally, brand new. Oh, hang on, I gotta take it off the right way. Oh, this cunt's going too.
Oh, this cunt's going.
I thought this would be a good idea. Fuck me, is it cold? I don't know how you do this, Josh. It's fucking scary riding and Snapchatting at the same time.